With me here, I have the DJI M300 and Smart Controller. It is our premier enterprise drone. The M300 has a 45-minute flight duration, which is going to help your utility not have to change batteries every 15 minutes. Another added bonus to these batteries is the fact that they can charge in 30 minutes or less depending on the level they have been brought down to. The M300 has an IP45 rating and can fly in 33.5 mile-an-hour winds. What that means for your utility is that it is water resistant, dust resistant, and can perform in heavy winds. From my experience, I've flown the M300 in sleet storms in the northwest, rain storms, and a 50-mile-an-hour windstorm, which is beyond its rating, and every time it held solid. The M300 is very easily deployed. First, you put on your legs. When it's in the case, you pull it out, set it down, and from that point forward, you bring your forward arms out first, rear arms out second, and then lock them into place. Some of the various payloads that are available for the M300 include the H20T, a range of spotlights, and mapping sensors as well. The H20T's features include a thermal camera, 640 by 512 radiometric, a 20 megapixel zoom lens, a 12 megapixel wide angle lens, and a laser rangefinder that's good for up to 3,500 feet. There are also third-party payloads that are available for the M300, one of them being a drop hook. I'm not sure if you could imagine what you could do with it, but imagine flying across a valley and dropping your mule tape to pull wire. For more info on the M300, visit GenPacDrones.com.